Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another one of the amazing Australian university. It's Australian National University. Now, if you're interested and want to apply to this university hassle-free, fill a form in the description box and my team will help you in the admission process. And if you're new to the channel, I'm a TEDx speaker, I'm an entrepreneur with 3 successful companies. I've done my MS in computer science from the US and worked with top investment banking as UBS Financials. And then started my company to help students with career and college admission. And over the last decade with my company, we have delivered top results with students getting admission to MIT, Harvard, Stanford, Oxford, Australian National University, and all top universities across the world. I've been featured on national television shows on Z News and my articles have been published in top international magazines. I've met with most of the admission officers myself and have done a college admission program from UPenn on how to guide students for college admission. In short, on my channel, you will find strategies and tools that work. And I've been using these strategies with thousands of students for over a decade with huge success. And as always, I have created an amazing college admission profile assessment. It is completely free to use. Just head to the link mentioned in the description box and get your profile evaluated for free. Now let's hit it up for ANU. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. The Australian National University is a public research university and member of Group of 8. It was established in 1946 and is located in Canberra, the capital city of Australia. ANU is the only university that have been created by the Parliament of Australia. The university has educated 2 prime ministers and more than a dozen current heads of government departments of Australia. ANU is located in Canberra. It is the capital city of Australia. It is filled with amazing opportunities you can enjoy with friends and family. Now, Canberra has a NASA base, Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex, and is one of the only places in Australia where you can go for a hot air balloon ride. Exciting, right? ANU also won an International Sustainable Campus Network Award and was ranked number 2nd greenest university campus in Australia, which is amazing. Now, many university sites are of historical significance dating from the establishment of the national capital, with over 40 buildings recognized by the Commonwealth Heritage List and several others on local lists. The most popular majors at ANU include optics, computer science, geosciences, physics, space science, plant and animal sciences, arts and humanities. Now, although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of the ranking, ANU is regarded one of the world's best and leading universities, and it is ranked as number 1 university in Australia and about top 30 in the world by QS World University Rankings. Now, let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. ANU has competitive academics. ANU was recognized to create 7 colleges. The university has 7 colleges including Art and Social Sciences, Asian Pacific, Business and Economics, Engineering, Computer Science, Law, Medicine, Biology and Environment, and Physical and Mathematical Sciences, each college leading both teaching and research. They have a range of study options to fit your needs, traditional undergraduate and postgraduate degrees, as well as flexible double options, giving you 2 qualifications in less time. Through ANU's Degree Builder, students can help you combine major and minor and decide variety of variables to create a tailor-made degree for your needs, which is amazing. ANU offers an outstanding variety of programs for Australia's next generation of language leaders. On campus and/or innovative online courses are offered from beginning to advanced levels, and various enrollment options provide for different student needs and goals. Student research projects are welcome and well received here. It offers a wide range of research programs for both undergraduate and postgraduate students. ANU also offers a lot of opportunities to study abroad for interested students. There are over 170 overseas destinations you can visit as part of your degree, which is huge. You can also come to ANU on exchange from your home university as well. The faculty at ANU is amazing. The faculty is highly involved in research as well as giving students enough opportunity to be a part of it. ANU counts 6 Nobel laureates and 49 Rhodes Scholars among its faculty and alumni. The class size at ANU is small to average. Most of the classes are 20 students at most out of there, but few are about 50 and above. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate ANU with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, with 5 is the highest level. Now, after academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life at ANU is flourishing. University is not just about studying. A great way to meet people and make the most of your university experience is to connect with ANU communities that interest you. Now, ANU has almost 150 clubs offering unique educational, sporting, cultural and social opportunities to members. Australian National University Students Association, which is ANUSA, is Students' Union of Australian National University and represent undergraduate and ANU college students. while the Postgraduate and Research Students Association, which is PARSA, represents postgraduates. There are numerous activities students take up outside the college to enjoy with friends and family, along with many volunteer activities on and off campus. ANU has over 20,000 students with about 10,000 UG and the same 10,000 about PG and PhD. The university is about 25% student body as international student, and ANU attracts international students to keep the campus a diverse place. Housing is available for all students. There are 11 residential facilities affiliated with ANU, and some students also reside in the privately run units adjoining the campus. The accommodations are comfortable and can be booked in advance to get the best ones early as soon as you get the decision letter. Even if you wish to stay off campus, the university will help students look for accommodations at reasonable prices. For ANU students, the meal plans are available for students' accommodation. The food is pretty good and has a diverse variety of as per the students. Apart from hostel canteen, a lot of on-campus food beverage options are available as well as off-campus. ANU is good with sports too. ANU Sport is a thriving student and community sport and recreational organization. It includes fitness center, social sport competition, competitive sports opportunities, elite athlete support, how to join one of the 33 sporting club, and so much more. ANU offers competitive academics and good social life. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on the quality of life at ANU. Now let's look at the financial fit. ANU falls in an average school category. The tuition fee is between $35,000 to 40,000 Australian dollars in annual tuition expenses without scholarship for most courses. Housing and dining is about 18 to 20,000 Australian dollar per year. Now, as far as financial aid is concerned, ANU offers a lot of scholarship opportunities for international students, and you can study with 50% or even up to 100% scholarships, such as ANU Chancellor's International Scholarship, which offers 50%, ANU's College of Business and Economics International Graduate Scholarships, again 50%, ANU College of Business and Economics International Undergraduate Scholarship, which offers 100% scholarships. Other scholarship opportunities include Tuckwell Scholarship Program and prestigious scholarships. Now, I have given a link in the description box so you can search and check the eligibility. Again, if you need help, fill up a form and my team will help you with the same. So overall, I will give it 5 stars out of 5 on financial fit, predominantly because of so many scholarship opportunities available. Now, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to triple your chances of getting into ANU with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admissions. When you study at ANU, you will join a diverse community of talented students and learn alongside world-leading academicians. As far as admissions are concerned, Australian National University is more focused on academic grades and representation in activities. The acceptance rate last year was about 35%. Your educational experience at ANU will be greatly enriched when you're surrounded with classmates from many different countries and backgrounds with different life experiences and perspectives. At ANU, you must meet the minimum entry requirement. It also has undergraduate age requirements, academic entry requirements, prerequisite, and any additional requirements for its degree. They accept predicted scores, so your predicted results must be issued as close as it is possible when you submit your application. And whenever possible, include an up-to-date school report or college report detailing academic results to the date. Now, essays and SOP play an important role in helping admission committee understand the student as well as the personality and skill set they bring to the table. So make sure to work on that as well. Apart from direct entry to admissions, foundation year courses are mostly the approach for most. Requirements are almost the same. They rank the students to create a class based on their profile. For international students, if you share a selection rank with one or more other candidates, they will use your English language competency score to break the tie and confirm your rankings. I know this looks a little complex, and that's what I feel like. Fill up a form and let in a professional will help you. ANU requires all international students to present English proficiency. You may meet this by tests like IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, or through various study in English as well, or previous study in English as well. ANU is big on research as well, so having some experience would help you a lot in admission, though it is not mandatory. Another thing that ANU emphasizes on excellence. It's the go-to word for ANU, so showing that you have it or respect it would be a great add-on to your applications. Now, as per deadlines, for admission into undergraduate program, ANU, like other universities, does not have any common deadline for all programs, although many vary slightly, but most of the deadlines fall in the rolling categories, which means apply sooner to get better results. Mostly it closes till May first week for international students. For the postgraduate courses, they have individual department deadlines, again, either 1 or 2, which is predominantly between October and March every year. Most of the program here as well have rolling deadlines too. So, if you're interested, career-driven, high-achieving, independent, self-driven, confident, and able to manage academics, part-time jobs, and internship while having active social lives, ANU is for you. And yes, remember to complete your profile evaluation as discussed in the beginning of the video and get your personalized report for free. And yes, it is one tool that will help you in your college admission journey, and I'm here with you, for you, to support you on this beautiful journey. If you need any assistance, feel free to get in touch with me through the comments, and me and my team will help you with everything.